Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making plantain porridge. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. In my pot I have my unripe plantain which I cut into tiny cubes. Next I'll go in with my ripe plantain just to sweeten it. You can skip it if you don't want to add ripe plantain to yours. I will proceed by adding my blended peppers and onions, dry catfish, cooked cow skin that is very soft, as well as the stock, grounded crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt and palm oil. I will add water to the level of what I have in my pot, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. While that is cooking, I will prep my vegetables and I'm using pumpkin leaf for this recipe. Feel free to use any vegetables of your choice. I'm going to pick it from the stem, wash very well before slicing. If you have watched till this point, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. This recipe is packed with iron and very nutritious. The plantain has been cooking for a while. Next I'll go in with my vegetables, crayfish and all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good mix, allow it to simmer for 3 minutes, and we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.